Pretty good. I know it's different, but it sounds pretty good, man. Awesome.
$100 subs, can't beat
Yeah,
it.
you can't beat it, man. Heck yeah.
Yeah.
The entry levels?
Yeah. $500 MSPs.
That's right, yeah.
I have a January giveaway with Sky High. To enter, use discount code JacobVile at skyhighcardio.com for a chance to win this speaker swag package valued over $700. All details in description. Good luck and enjoy the video.
What is it, 412?
412s, yeah, dark audio, NKOs. Just 900. Yeah.
Appreciate it. What's going on, man?
How you doing?
Excellent. Ooh, this car's low. What vehicle is this?
Huh?
What vehicle?
Honda Civic hatch.
Honda Civic hatch. Okay.
97.
All right. You want to give me an intro real quick?
All right. 4 dark audio NKO 12s. DS18 for the mids and highs. I'm only running a 1500 audio pipe amp.
Okay.
Ran down to 2 ohms, so it's only getting like 800-900 watts. It's only like 800-900 watts.
Did you build this?
I put it together, but I had the boxes.
Okay, so you got the boxes built, but you built everything else. I had the boxes built,
but I put it all together.
Awesome. All right, and you sealed it up pretty good. You can tell you did a pretty good job.
I put all the
make it work, man.
In there and everything.
Yeah, man. Awesome. Yeah, I'd like to hear it.
All right.
Ooh, you got some loud speakers too. It sounds good, man.
Yeah.
I like it.
It's a little 200 watt.
Yeah, it works.
Pipe. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Personal.
All right. Can I see? You want to do one more?
Yeah, let's do another one.
Go ahead and do one more. Sure, man. different, but it sounds
Yeah.
pretty good, man. Awesome.
$100 subs can't
Yeah,
beat
you
it.
can't beat it, man. Heck yeah.
Yeah.
The entry levels?
Yeah. $500 masterpiece.
That's right, yeah. Can I see the back? The
Yeah.
amp? I'd love to see it, man.
It's not much, but
If you could pop this real quick too, maybe? That way they can see all four of them.
Oh,
See?
yeah.
Yeah, man. Awesome. And what did you say again what this was wired to?
4 of them.
4 of them, so you're half the power, yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
No, I'm sorry, 2 ohms, 2 ohms, 2 ohms.
2 ohms on a 1 ohm amp.
2 ohms on a 1 ohm
So
amp.
half, okay, gotcha.
Yeah, 2 ohms, I'm sorry.
No, you're good,
They're
man.
4 ohm subs.
Yep. Alright.
Y'all think I'm famous? Yo, this ridiculous, meticulous. Yeah, I'm ready 10 deep, we dangerous. Yo, all about a dollar, there ain't no scheme. All about your color, right? So mean, when I grind so hard, the machine so sweet. Not a mean, no harm, and no one, no dream, no. Hit the lighting show, hit your mic, get out, plenty of line to go, plenty of line. My bro pass so hard, but it's still my best. Shoot so many for these back end cells. I'll bring it up and I'll break it down. Stand by tree, so high it down. Got turn in the hit, and we going out. Yo, we're gonna show us some renegades. Fucking up the game on your lanes. All ain't ready for these flames. Getting deadly in these games. In my lane, bet you know my name, running. Renegades, fucking up the game. Something with some renegades. Fucking up the game on your lanes. Totally ready for these flames. Getting deadly in these games. In my lane, bet you know my name, running. Renegades, fucking up the game. Something what? No scheme. All over you, all over you. Something on the ground, so hard, the machine so sick. Not a mean, no harm, and no one, no dream, no. Hit the lighting show, hit your mic, get out, plenty of line. Break your cells. Break it down. Stand by. Lanes, all in. It's in my lane. Know my name, running. Game, something with some renegades. Fucking up the game on the lanes. Totally ready for these flames. Getting deadly in these games. In my lane. Know my name. Game, something what?
What is it? 412?
412s, yeah, Dark Audio, NKOs.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.